Hey friends, let me ask you honestly, have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, if only I could bring back my smooth, firm skin, fade some of these age spots and pigmentation, and look a few years younger? I understand, time waits for no one, and after the age of 50, our skin, health, and even inner vitality tend to decline. But is there a magic way to turn back the signs of time, one that's safe, natural, and doesn't cost a fortune? Honestly, yes, there is. And surprisingly, that secret is right in your own kitchen. Using just 4 familiar ingredients, lemon, sugarcane, lemongrass, and ginger, when combined correctly, in just a few days you'll feel your skin becoming smoother, dark spots gradually fading, your body feeling lighter and healthier, and most importantly, your immunity noticeably improving. But if you use it the wrong way, not only will it lose its benefits, but it could also harm your stomach and raise your blood sugar. In today's video, I'll share the complete recipe, preparation tips, and the most important precautions so you can safely and effectively apply it right at home. I invite you to stay until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. And if you find this content helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment sharing your thoughts, so we can all live healthier, happier, and younger every day. I wish you lots of health, joy, and positive energy. Dear friends, before I share the exact recipe, I want you to fully understand each ingredient and why combining them creates a drink that's not only delicious but also offers incredible health benefits. Because when we know the origin and benefits, every sip will feel more valuable and reassuring. The first ingredient in this recipe is lemon, a small fruit that holds a treasure trove of valuable nutrients inside. Most notably, it's packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are the silent culprits that harm cell structure, speed up aging, cause wrinkles, and increase the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer. When your body gets enough vitamin C from lemons, your immune system works more efficiently, and your ability to fight off bacteria and viruses improves significantly. But that's not all. Lemons also contain citric acid, a compound that stimulates digestion by naturally encouraging the stomach to produce digestive juices. This helps the breakdown of food happen more smoothly, reducing bloating and indigestion. Citric acid also supports the liver in detoxifying, helping the body eliminate waste and toxins through the digestive and urinary systems. Lemons also contain flavonoids, plant compounds with anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that protect blood vessel walls and lower bad cholesterol. For those who care about skin health, flavonoids combined with vitamin C help stimulate collagen production, keeping skin firm, elastic, and youthful for longer. And one more thing, the refreshing tang of lemon not only excites the taste buds and makes meals more enjoyable, but also brings a cool, invigorating feeling, especially on hot days or when you're feeling tired. That's why, for generations, lemon has been valued as both a simple and precious ingredient for health and beauty. Next comes sugarcane. It may sound simple, but in reality, it's an amazing natural source of energy gifted by nature. Inside sugarcane stalks is sucrose in its natural form, which is easily absorbed, helping the body quickly regain energy when fatigued, weak, or after physical activity. Beyond sugar, sugarcane is rich in minerals like potassium, calcium, iron, magnesium, and manganese. Potassium helps maintain electrolyte balance, stabilize blood pressure, and support heart health. Calcium and magnesium contribute to strong bones and teeth, while also helping muscles function smoothly. Iron in sugarcane supports red blood cell production, preventing anemia and improving oxygen delivery in the blood. Sugarcane also contains polyphenols, a group of antioxidants that protect cells from environmental damage while helping the liver neutralize and eliminate toxins. With its mild alkalinity, sugarcane juice can help neutralize excess stomach acid, easing heartburn and discomfort. Next is lemongrass, not only a fragrant spice that adds a distinctive aroma to many dishes, but it has long been considered a precious medicinal plant in both Eastern medicine and modern healthcare. From a scientific perspective, The stalks and leaves of lemongrass contain a high concentration of essential oils, with citral making up the largest portion. Citral is a natural compound well known for its strong antibacterial and antifungal properties, capable of inhibiting the growth of various bacteria that cause digestive and respiratory illnesses, such as Escherichia coli, Salmonella, and Staphylococcus aureus. In addition to citral, lemongrass also contains geraniol, limonene, and myrcene, compounds belonging to the monoterpene and sesquiterpene groups, that help reduce inflammation, act as antioxidants, ease swelling and pain, and support the regeneration of damaged tissue. Lemongrass is also notable for its natural diuretic properties, which stimulate kidney function and increase urine output, helping the body eliminate toxins, excess uric acid, and unnecessary sodium. This process not only cleanses the urinary system, reducing the risk of kidney stones and bladder infections, but also eases the workload of the liver and kidneys, allowing these organs to function more efficiently. Some studies show that lemongrass essential oil can also help dilate blood vessels, thereby supporting blood pressure regulation, improving circulation, and reducing strain on the heart. In traditional medicine, warm lemongrass water has long been used to treat colds and reduce fever. When lemongrass essential oil enters the body through drinking or inhalation, it stimulates the sweat glands, increasing perspiration, which helps cool the body and eliminate toxins. At the same time, the warming nature of lemongrass helps dilate peripheral blood vessels, keep the body warm, and strengthen the immune system to fight pathogens, especially during cold seasons or when the weather changes. Beyond immune and circulatory benefits, lemongrass is also good for digestion. Its active compounds help stimulate bowel movements and increase digestive enzyme secretion, reducing bloating, indigestion, and loss of appetite. Many also use lemongrass to ease stomach cramps and relieve abdominal pain caused by digestive disorders. Another unique feature is lemongrass's natural scent, pleasant and soothing to the nerves. Inhaling its aroma can help relieve stress, improve mood, promote deeper sleep, and boost mental clarity. This is why lemongrass essential oil is often used in aromatherapy to ease tension and mental fatigue. Finally, we have ginger, long regarded as nature's warming medicine, found not only in nearly every household kitchen but also as a key ingredient in many traditional remedies and modern health formulas. Ginger's most notable component is gingerol, a bioactive compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help suppress inflammatory responses, relieve joint and muscle pain, and protect cells from free radical damage. When ginger is heated or dried, gingerol transforms into shogaol and gingerone, compounds that not only enhance its signature pungent flavor but also boost its anti-inflammatory, pain-relieving, and circulation-improving effects. For digestion, ginger acts as a mild stimulant, encouraging the stomach to produce digestive enzymes and gastric juices, thereby improving nutrient absorption and reducing bloating and indigestion. Particularly, ginger's ability to reduce nausea, a scientifically proven benefit, makes it useful for pregnant women experiencing morning sickness, those prone to motion sickness, or patients recovering from surgery. In terms of warming the body and preventing illness, ginger promotes blood vessel dilation, enhances circulation, and helps warm the hands, feet, and the entire body from within. Thanks to its natural antibacterial and antiviral properties, ginger is often used to help prevent colds, sore throats, and seasonal flu. Some research even suggests that ginger can help stabilize blood sugar, lower bad cholesterol, and improve heart health when consumed in moderation. Dear friends, when these 4 ingredients are combined in the right proportions and prepared correctly, they work together like a health defense team, protecting your body on all fronts, both preventing illness and nourishing you from within. The abundant vitamin C from lemon not only boosts collagen production to keep skin firm, but also enhances immune cell activity, helping the body fight off bacteria, viruses, and other environmental threats. When this vitamin C works alongside the natural anti-inflammatory compounds in ginger, like gingerol and shogaol, as well as citral and geraniol from lemongrass, The protective benefits are doubled. Inflammation is kept under control. Cells are shielded from damage. And the risk of respiratory infections, arthritis, or the common cold is significantly reduced. In addition, lemongrass and lemon act as the body's natural filters, supporting the liver and kidneys in flushing out toxins, excess salts, and waste. Lemongrass, with its diuretic effect, helps cleanse the urinary system, while lemon stimulates liver function to aid detoxification and metabolism. At the same time, sugarcane serves as a healthy energy supply, replenishing essential minerals like potassium, calcium, iron, and magnesium to balance electrolytes and maintain stable heart, muscle, and nervous system function. Not only that, the essential oils from lemongrass and ginger positively influence the central nervous system. Once in the body, their pleasant aroma helps calm the nerves, reduce stress levels, slightly lower blood pressure, and improve sleep quality. This is especially important for those who often experience insomnia, restless sleep, or mental fatigue. So, if you often feel tired, sluggish, or catch colds easily when the weather changes, simply drinking this beverage a few times a week can bring visible changes. Your body will feel lighter, your immune system stronger, your mind clearer, and your skin fresher and healthier. This is truly a simple gift from nature, safe, effective, and easy to incorporate into daily life. The preparation is simple but must be done correctly to preserve all the nutrients. Prepare about 300 to 400 grams of sugarcane, cut into pieces and lightly crushed to release its sweetness. 3 to 4 stalks of lemongrass, bruised to release the essential oils. 30 to 40 grams of fresh ginger, washed and gently crushed. Leave the skin on to retain more essential oils. 1 to 2 lemons, juiced and seeds removed to avoid bitterness, and 1 liter of filtered water. First, add the sugarcane, lemongrass, and ginger to a pot with the water. Bring to a boil, then reduce to low heat and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes so the essences fully infuse into the water. Strain out the solids. Let the liquid cool to about 104 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 to 50 degrees Celsius. This temperature preserves the vitamin C in the lemon. Then add the lemon juice and stir well. Drink warm in the morning or on cold days for the best results. However, I must remind you of a few important points. If you have stomach ulcers or acid reflux, reduce the amount of lemon and ginger to avoid irritation. If you have diabetes, cut down on the sugarcane or replace it with a small amount of low-sugar honey to help control blood sugar. And never drink this on a completely empty stomach, as the lemon's acid can cause discomfort and the sugar from the sugarcane may cause a sudden drop in blood pressure or blood sugar. 1 to 2 glasses a day is enough. Too much of anything, no matter how good, can become a burden on the body. Dear friends, sometimes in life, the simplest and most familiar things are the most valuable remedies for our health. A warm cup of lemon, sugarcane, lemongrass, and ginger water each day may seem ordinary, but it nourishes both body and soul. I truly believe that no matter how beneficial something is, it must be used with knowledge and moderation. Taking care of your body today is not just for the present, it's a gift you give to your future self. When your body is healthy, your mind is at peace, and life becomes lighter and filled with energy. So, if you find this video helpful, I sincerely hope you share it with your loved ones and friends so everyone can know and benefit from these simple yet powerful ways to protect their health. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so today, so we can continue to meet in many more videos where I'll share more tips for living healthy, happy, and fully every single day. Goodbye for now, and see you in the next video.